Vitus, the venerable French bicycle brand renowned since the 1970s, continues to push the boundaries of cycling innovation with its latest offering, the E-Mythique LT, a cutting-edge electric mountain bike that promises an exhilarating off-road experience. The LT moniker in the name signifies long travel, indicating its impressive suspension capabilities. This exceptional bike boasts a whopping 170mm of suspension travel in the front and a substantial 160mm in the rear, ensuring a plush and smooth ride over the most challenging terrains. Developed with meticulous attention to detail, the E-Mythique LT sets itself apart with its unique wheel configuration, sporting a 29-inch wheel in the front and a slightly smaller 27.5-inch wheel in the rear. This appearance strikes a balance between stability and maneuverability. The result is agile handling that allows riders to confidently tackle technical trails and navigate tight corners with ease. One of the standout features of the E-Mythique LT is its budget-friendly nature, a feat accomplished through an astute collaboration between Vitus and Chinese e-bike system specialist Bafang. This partnership has yielded a customized Bafang M510 mid-drive unit, a powerhouse that delivers an impressive torque of 95 Nm. While the 630 Wh battery pack might be slightly smaller than some counterparts, its reduced size is perfectly counterbalanced by the bike's attractively lower price point. The heart of the E-Mythique LT lies in its versatile range of ride modes, catering to a diverse spectrum of riding preferences and terrains. Riders can seamlessly switch between 5 distinct modes: Eco, Eco Plus, Trail, Boost, and Race. Whether one wishes a leisurely pedal assist cruise or craves an adrenaline-fueled sprint, these modes can be effortlessly adjusted on the fly through an intuitive display unit, allowing for real-time customization, according to the demands of the ride. Vitus's relentless pursuit of innovation in the cycling world is showcased once again through its latest offering, the E-Mythique LT. This remarkable electric mountain bike comes in 3 distinct models, each catering to the preferences and aspirations of diverse trail riders, all while maintaining an admirably affordable price point. The E-Mythique LT lineup begins with the LT VR, the embodiment of budget-friendly excellence. Priced at a mere $3,699, this model ensures that an exceptional electric mountain biking experience remains accessible to a wide range of enthusiasts. Equipped with SR Suntour suspension and a Microshift drivetrain, the LT VR provides a seamless blend of comfort and performance, promising an exhilarating ride over even the most demanding trails. Stepping up the ladder is the LT VRS, priced at $4,199. This model enhances the riding experience with a Sram drivetrain, delivering precision shifting and optimal power transmission. The LT VRS offers a seamless integration of technology and appearance, catering to riders who seek an elevated level of performance and sophistication. At the pinnacle of the E-Mythique LT range lies the LT VRX, the embodiment of uncompromising excellence. Price of $4,599. This top-tier model leaves no stone unturned when it comes to delivering an unparalleled electric mountain biking adventure. Featuring RockShox suspension that absorbs every jolt and bump, the LT VRX ensures a smooth and controlled ride, even in the most challenging terrains. The inclusion of the SRAM GX and NX Eagle drivetrain further solidifies this model's reputation as the ultimate choice for trail conquerors who demand nothing short of excellence. Whether you're a casual explorer seeking the thrill of off-road adventures or an avid trailblazer pushing the boundaries of mountain biking prowess, the Vitus E-Mythique LT beckons as an irresistible option. Its versatile range of models ensures that every rider can find their perfect match, and its fusion of cutting-edge technology and affordability showcases Vitus's dedication to redefining the cycling landscape. With the E-Mythique LT, the journey to electrifying mountain biking experiences is no longer a distant dream, but a tangible reality within reach. Thank you for watching this video. You can also find other videos on our channel about electric bikes. Have a nice day and God bless you.